Hi, today in front of me Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to switch off this device. Now just to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. If you see here that the Google Assistant is activated by press and hold to the power key button and you want only use it to turn on or turn off your device, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to additional settings. Then click to power button, tap to press and hold the power button and switch voice assistant to power menu. Now just press and hold power key button and we can see here power off menu, so just to turn off our device, slide to the down this white dot with your finger. After that, wait a second, and after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.